Well, welcome in the kitchen. I'm so glad you're here. I've got some bananas that are on their last legs, as you say. So, we're going to make some banana bread with our overly ripe bananas. And I'm going to use this right here. And it does not call for bananas, okay? It calls for a cup of water. So, I'm going to puree these bananas in this food processor right here. Okay? And we're going to see how many we get. Because I mean, these bananas are way more than just ripe. Okay? These are soft bananas. But this will make this banana bread so sweet, you all. When your bananas get like this, they're almost just turned to sugar. They're so sweet. So, we're going to throw all these bananas in there. They don't really have any bad spots in them. They're just very, very ripe, you all. Wonder if we planted one, if we'd grow a banana tree. You reckon? I don't know. My granny planted lemons one time to grow a lemon tree, and she did it. She did it. She sure did. I just hate to see food go to waste. Y'all, we've got banana juice. We've got, oh, it smells good. Look at that. You see that? We've got banana juice. Banana juice. Yummy. Okie doke. Now then, get that back out of our way. And we've got plenty to make our 2 loaves of banana bread. All right, now we need oil. It's sitting here, right here it is. And we need eggs. And I've got our eggs right here in our pans. We're going to make double banana bread, okay? So let me go over here and get out our other box of banana bread, and I'll be right back. All right, let's get our banana bread going here. If y'all could hit that subscribe button for me, it's greatly appreciated. Those of you who have already done it, I thank you. I've noticed that YouTube gives us a lot of data, and most of the people that watch me are not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. All right, here we go. There's 1 pack. I'm making double, 2 loaves, like I said. All right, you do not have to mix this in a mixer. I just do because it's easy. All right, and to that, we need to add our, let me grab us a spatula here. This is in place of our water or milk. We're using bananas, okay? So that's in place of our liquid. That just gives it more banana flavor. All right. Okay, now then, we need, since I'm doing 2 boxes, I need a 2/3 of a cup of oil. I don't know why they make these for, there's 1/3, there is 2/3 right there. Now then, we need 2 eggs per, so that's 4 eggs, right? We always crack them in something else so they don't get a shell. And I usually do. I've been good so far. There's 3. We need 1 more. There's our 4 eggs. Now then, let's mix this up good. All right, here's our 2 bread pans. Turn the lights back on. We're going to divide this. You all can make this into muffins. You can add nuts. You can add coconut. You can add pineapple. You can add macadamia nuts. Oops. Wasn't all mixed up good there, was it? Let me get us a different spatula. That one's a little bit stiff for this. This one will do the trick. Get every little drop of that out. We don't want to waste any of it. All right, now then, these go into a 375-degree oven for about an hour. Okay, so I'm going to pop these in the oven and I'll be back in about an hour when they're done. Look at our beautiful banana bread, you all. Look at this. You want a bite? I'll put some butter on it. It's cooled. It's not still real hot. That is very, very good, y'all. Yum. Two beautiful loaves here. Bring them up here where you can see them. Aren't those pretty? I've got the hiccups now. So I'm going to close this one out. Y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.